Today, we will learn some vocabulary related to traveling. Say these words with your English voice. Holiday. Holiday. This is a long visit to a place away from where you live for pleasure. In a sentence, I'm so excited about our holiday to London next month. Move. Move. This is to leave your home to live in a new one. We will be moving into our new home next week. Visit. Visit. This is to go to a place and spend a short amount of time there. I want to visit the zoo tomorrow. Organize. Organize. This is to make arrangements for something to happen. Let's organize a family trip. Save. Save. This is to keep something, especially money, for use in the future. I will save money for our holiday to London. Book. Book. This is to arrange to have a seat, room, performer, etc. at a particular time in the future. Shall I book a table at the restaurant for dinner tonight? Invent. Invent. This is to design or create something which has never existed before. He is thinking about what he would like to invent.